Hi everyone, vedi, qui ce l'ha. Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Guys, this is the time. I need to go messy once again. And yeah, this is the phase when I need to close every holes to seal every cracks. And yeah, I need a lot of stucco, a lot of plaster. I want to seal everything around the sewers before I go to paint them. So I need to use also Mod Podge on the canal and stuff like that. And then we can finally go with the black primer on this under level. It's quite essential, guys, that I finish all the stuff in the sewers before I put the covering, because after that will be basically impossible to paint inside. So yeah, I need to remove a little bit of stuff. I want to use the Gutter Rich district as a tester for this mix that I'm gonna use, and yeah, wish me luck, because this is quite a complicated step. Crack on! So we have all of this side. This must be empty. This part must be empty because we need to put lights inside there. And we have all of this stuff that is actually ready to be removed. And we have also this part that needs a very subtle level, and also this corner. So we need stucco. I'm gonna add PDA glue also. And this will improve the elasticity and the traction resistance to the stucco. This is very creamy. I need it to be more dense than this. Yeah, let me try it. Yeah, piece of cake. So basically this is not the final finish, guys. It's just something that helps to reduce the gaps the cracks between the pieces before I can go with the final hand, and everything will be very, very smooth, okay? But yeah, as a tester piece, I call this a success. Nice. Now we need to do basically the same on the sewer pieces, but before I need to seal all the cracks and all the stuff that are not perfectly sealed, like this junction, you see, that are not good. Okay, so yeah. Then I also need to seal with the Mod Podge all the wood here, because the acrylic paint is not enough to block the resin when you pour it on the MDF. MDF, it's tricky because it will absorb all the resin, so you need to seal it with Mod Podge. I will seal it also this part. First I will paint it and then I will seal it. Okay? Yeah. So far so good. A big progress has been made, guys. Now, guess what? Drawing time. But for now, that's it. That's all, guys. See you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!